Tenses, future simple, 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Fill in the blank with the correct form. She will walks, to school tomorrow. Answer: she will walk to school tomorrow. Choose the correct verb form. They will plays soccer next weekend. Answer: they will play soccer next weekend. Complete the sentence. He will eats breakfast at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Answer: he will eat breakfast at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Pick the correct form. We will studies English next Monday. Answer: we will study English next Monday. Correct the sentence. She will does her homework after dinner tonight. Answer: she will do her homework after dinner tonight. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.